Hello everyone. Welcome back to Health Options 101, your go-to spot for tips on living longer, healthier, and stronger. Today, we're talking about something you might not expect when it comes to longevity. It's all about strength training. If you think strength training is just for bodybuilders, think again. It's actually one of the most powerful ways to extend your life and boost your overall well-being. So, why does strength training matter for longevity? Let's break it down. As we age, our muscle mass naturally starts to decline. This is called sarcopenia, and it's one of the reasons older adults can become frail or prone to falls and injuries. But the good news: strength training slows that muscle loss, keeping you stronger, more mobile, and independent as you get older. Building and maintaining muscle is like investing in your future. When you lift weights or do body weight exercises, you're not just making your muscles stronger, you're also strengthening your bones. This lowers your risk of osteoporosis and fractures, two major concerns as we age. Strong muscles and bones can quite literally be the difference between staying active and being sidelined by injury. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Strength training is amazing for your heart. Many people think cardio is the only way to protect heart health, but strength training lowers blood pressure, improves blood flow, and reduces your risk of heart disease. And let's not forget about your metabolism. More muscle means you burn more calories, even when you're resting. This helps control weight, manage blood sugar, and fight off conditions like diabetes. And it's not just about the physical benefits. Strength training has a huge impact on mental health. It's been shown to reduce anxiety, depression, and stress. When you feel strong physically, you tend to feel more resilient mentally. Plus, those endorphins you get after a workout, they're like a natural mood booster, helping you stay positive and energized. So, how do you get started? It's easier than you think. You don't need a gym membership or heavy weights. Bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, or push-ups are fantastic ways to start. You can even use resistance bands or light dumbbells if you want to mix it up. And the best part? Just 2 to 3 sessions a week can make a noticeable difference in your strength, your mood, and your health. So, if you want to live longer, stay active, and feel stronger every day, strength training is the way to go. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more tips on living your healthiest, longest life. Until next time, stay strong, stay healthy.